The course was CSE 481H, Accessibility Capstone, and the main tenet was to create useful projects for our community stakeholders in a way that engaged them in a participatory design and user-centered design process.
So I would say the biggest challenge in a capstone is the coordination between all the team members. You really have to learn how to utilize each person's strengths in order to create a project that utilizes everyone's abilities.
I'm really hoping to have all of the teacher stuff done by Thursday, so we can really show them that.
Yeah, I can work on the logout, sure.
We are App for Literacy, and we are developing a desktop application to enable reading learners to practice their reading independently and allow researchers to track their progress.
It gives you kind of an opportunity to make something new and to be able to be proud of that accomplishment.
The main purpose of this meeting is that we want to, I guess, kind of get access to the Linux machine so we can deploy the application that we have right now onto it, and then hopefully set up some kind of automatic deployment stuff so you guys can just kind of continually see the progress that we're making.
As the researcher, we could add a new module for one of the students.
Yes.
Yeah. And then when the student logged in, they would then see this new module that they're
Exactly.
Yeah, and let them know, like, play this.
Yeah.
I guess kind of the next thing is really getting this deployment stuff up and running.
We are the iRobot team, and basically we are connecting a robot to an eye tracker pupil device that for somebody with severe muscular disabilities. So we have a stakeholder. Basically, the gist of it is that while she's laying on her back, she'll be able to look up into her screen that she normally uses to communicate, so that when she moves her eyes on the screen, the robot can move around and she'll be able to see it with a webcam to give her some independence. Basically, it's our way of helping her kind of move something in the physical world that she otherwise wouldn't be able to.
The Sphero, you have to use a phone to control it, but if you don't have control of your fingers or fine motor skills, you're just not able to use it. And so we want to enable people to actually be able to use things that people can use, which I feel is a pretty noble goal.
Accessibility is a really popular field right now. There are several reasons I want to take this class. I can get the chance to work with students from different majors, and I really enjoy the moment where we can share different ideas and get the feedback from different perspectives.
And what we're trying to do is build an application for Android phones. What nurses normally have to do is they have to take notes during their shifts and at the end write something called the narrative notes. And what we want to do is give them an application to make it easier for them to take notes in order to save time and spend more time with the patient.
If we want to search by neural the body system, we click search and it will show up here the nurse name, the body system, the condition, and the time. Or we can also use a voice input here. So the condition is good.
Most of my patients are alert and oriented and they're awake, so that's what I chart a lot for my neuros.
Do you think it's better if we have select date, start date here, and you click select and the calendar show up?
Yeah, and then the calendar shows up. Yeah, I think that'd be a lot more helpful rather than just having the calendar show up like right there.
Okay.
It's a lot. It definitely makes you think like, okay, well now I need to select that rather than just hitting search.
Yeah.
I would love to have something like this. It'd make my job so much easier. So much easier.